Okay, yo, what's up people? This is Ash is the best. I'm gonna show you a really cool glitch on how to get a jelly gun out of the assigned area. Yes, it sadly doesn't work razor long. It's pretty cool, but yeah, everything's with razor long. So if you can't beat them, join them. I found this glitch like a long time ago, but my PC was playing tricks on me. Like it keeps freezing, and my stupid Windows Movie Maker didn't work. And my video impression like compressed the file to 5 gigabytes, so I was pretty pissed off. Anyway, like you jump on this part where you walk. Well, you can see that. Like, there's a glow up that wall, and like when you get on the top, there's like this corner you have to raise a glow around. And then you have to stand on this little edge where it's kind of hollow. So if you don't know yet, my PSN is the same as my YouTube, Ash is the best. So add me. I play Resistance and I'm gonna buy Warhawk. Okay, this is the part I've told you. There's a glow around this. Stand on the edge of here, don't move. It's hollow. And then just glide down to over there. Like there might be some shortcuts, but like this way works for me. Because like I just want to show you guys how to walk around that stuff. Oh yeah, this is my first like narrated video. I'm not that good in narrating videos like Zellhazard is, but like give me a chance, people. I feel like warning people. Yeah, I found some cool glitches, but like I haven't put them on video yet. But if you like throw a visicopter down there and then suicide, you will spawn and like your whole frame is like the visicopter thingy, but you can't move though. This part's kind of tricky, but like I'll show you how to get around. Like look, I have no jelly in my jelly gun. See? Oh god. Okay. Damn, I was keep falling. Okay, then just glide to the like entrance. And just kill these guys because they'll probably get in your way. Raise a glow up this wall. This is probably like the last one. Yes, it's the last one. Anyway, you go to this like jelly thingy with your jelly gun, and then it gives you the jelly, but then it opens the doors at the same time. So, sweet freedom. Look, it says fill up gelinate or whatever it's called. Then the door opens. Sweet. And now you made it out of the way. Bouncy time. Like you can do this like in almost every level where the jelly gun is. But like if you go to a different level, it like won't give you red stuff, pink stuff. It will say like out of jelly. So that sucks. And like these enemies, some enemies only, you can like turn them into jelly blocks. But these enemies not, because like they're not in a jelly. They were never in a jelly place. cool thing is you can like put this on water or liquid. I don't care what that thing is, but still. And then you can like at the end of the level you can like walk all over the level with a jelly gun. That's like awesome. Like you can explore the whole level. With the type of laser glow on, you can do anything. Oh yeah, I'm gonna show you if you suicide, you'll still have it. Suicide. Oh man. See, look, I suicided. And then I'll get my gun again, full of jelly. And if you put it on the water, you can walk on it and stuff. So yeah, this glitch was found by me like a long time ago. So if you do this like the whole time at the end of the level, you can like walk around everything. In Sargasso you can do like amazing things. So nobody upload on how to get a jelly gun on Sargasso because I'm uploading that one and on other levels too. I know this mic makes me sound like I'm kind of sick or I'm a 3-year-old, but who cares? Oh yeah, I want to show you guys something really like strange thing, okay? Like if you suicide and you spawn and you go back to the area where you get your jelly gun and the door closes, well actually you shall see, it's a surprise. Door opens, you go in, you still have jelly. Then you press triangle to fill up jelly. See? Door won't open. And look at the top left corner. Red. So that sucks. So don't get the jelly gun and fill it up when it's already filled up, because then you have to do this all over again. This ends the video, and like hope you enjoyed it.